The Secretlab Titan chair. Office gaming chair. Unboxing. You know, treat yourself. Time for you. You know, most of us have that spark in us to do what we want to do. If it's, you know, owning a YouTube channel, streaming, or simple entertainment, but we just get lost in our day-to-day tasks and forget about ourselves.
I don't know where to start.
It gets overwhelming. Yeah. So I wanted to bring in, you know, two worlds into one. Heavy work plus, you know, my spark of creativity equals comfort.
And this is the Jurassic Park saying. You know what the Jurassic Park saying is? It's heavy, expensive. Now, these are casters.
So yeah, I needed a chair to spoil myself and get back to creating again.
Oh, look at this. Oh. It's silent.
There's a really cool toolkit.
Real leather.
My old chair just couldn't handle, so it needed to roll out. Yeah. Yeah, this is very well packaged. I was really hesitant to use it now.
That's there.
The leather just smells like, chef's kiss.
Fancy. Guess it's a different color. They put it upside down. Yandao sabe, that's what they said. Oh. I don't know which one goes to which. There's a red. There's a red.
Oh yes it is.
Is that it? That was it? Yeah.
The Secretlab Titan chair was surprisingly easy to assemble. It needs a little bit of brain power and a little bit of muscle power, but easy enough, especially having magnets on some of these ports to assemble.
Well, obviously it's that.
You know, this isn't a cheap chair by all means, nor this is not sponsored, though how I wish it was.
There it is. Look at that.
You know, you can just go to their website and see how much this thing costs. I'm not here to tell you to buy this chair.
This is always scary.
To show you what it's like up close for this premium type of chair.
I should sleep right here. Smells like a new car.